What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So my mom got me, so for breakfast today, my mom got me a, Nature Valley, lemon bar that I figured I'd just do a video on. This is what it looks like. Obviously, you've all seen Nature Valley bars. But you can tell there's lemon frosting in there, which is really good. Think I might have taken too big a bite there. Mm. Oh man, that was good. I'm your host, Isaac Robert. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. Mm. Mm. Oh boy, that was good. I might end up asking my mom if she has any more of those lemon bars, because that was really tasty. Mm. If you like lemon and you need breakfast bars, I would suggest getting the Nature Valley muffin bars, which is what that is. Mm. Boy. That was really tasty. Well, I'm your host, Isaac Rowe. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.